Okay, next class, let us do the same Hello World GUI application, but now with a different language, C Sharp. The reason why we introduce you to C Sharp in this course, and it is optional for you to use C Sharp for this assignment, is because C Sharp is really similar to C++. The reason is because not because C Sharp is taking after C++, is because C Sharp is taking after another language, Java, that is taking after C++. So because C Sharp takes after Java, Java takes after C++, these three languages look similar. So it's easy, really easy for you to master C Sharp very quickly if you already master C++. And another reason why we introduce you to this language in this course is because C++ is not 100% supported by Microsoft anymore. You by default don't have a template for GUI application in C++ anymore in Visual Studio because Microsoft basically discourage their users to use C++ for Windows programming. But for C Sharp, it is 100% supported because C Sharp is a language created by Microsoft itself. So let us redo our Hello World GUI with C Sharp now, and let us appreciate how easy it is to do it using C Sharp. So launch your Visual Studio, then again File, New, Project. Now you need to filter again under language, choose C Sharp, C hash, choose this one, not C++. Now we are exploring with C Sharp with our GUI project. So choose C Sharp and then Platform, Windows. So you will find a WinForm template, which is this one, Windows Forms Application .NET Framework. Right, so click that one. Next. And then again, we need to give project name to it. Let me call this Hello GUI CS. CS stands for C Sharp. And then I want to save it again in desktop, new folder, Hello GUI CS. Select folder. Then that is it. Make sure your framework also is correct. 4.7.2 is the latest framework for .NET. Create. Then you get the form without any template that you have to download from a third party. Like just now when we created the project using C++, we have to download a template created by a professor from Germany. Now this one we don't have to install anything. The support for GUI application with C Sharp is already there as template pre-installed. So we have the form. Let us make it smaller so that it looks similar to the one we did in C++. And the toolbox or widgets that we have over here on this side of the dashboard, let us open command control also. Close container, open command control. Then let us change the caption for the form. Make sure you select it, activate it, change the text property to Hello World. You get it? Then drag in the label again, just like C++. Change the text of the label to Hello World. Then you see that is it. Save it, run. You have the similar Windows form, similar to the one that you created using C++ just now. Alright, you can do the same to the label if you want to change it to Arabic or Jawi like what I did just now. I copy this one again and then paste it in the text. I want to make the font bigger, perhaps 24 this time. And then this font looks ugly. I would like to change it to Times New Roman. Alright, save it, run again. You get something similar to what you did just now using C++. So that is how easy it is to develop a Windows or GUI program using C#. And basically, so far, either using C++ or C#, we have not done any coding yet. We just drag and drop and change properties. But our next exercise will be having some kind of coding.